Hello and welcome to this tutorial in Santos Pro. Today we're going to show you how you can import and implement motion capture files within the software. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to our library window and then to the avatars tab. Next, we're just going to click and drag the avatar icon onto our viewport. And with our avatar loaded up, we're going to assign its anatomical hardpoints. These anatomical hardpoints, or AHPs, are used to create a relationship between the target markers used to track movement in the motion capture file and the AHPs we've established on our avatar. These AHPs can be found in the library window and in the tab labeled Custom. I'm going to be referring to this marker placement guide when placing our AHPs. Establishing the AHPs is as simple as dragging the marker to the corresponding location on our avatar. So what we're doing is taking a look at this guide here and replicating the placement of those markers to the best of our ability. After you place the AHP, the avatar's marker tree will update to reflect this addition. Now I'm just going to name this AHP the same as what I see in the guide, but feel free to name it whatever makes sense to you. Since we place this on the avatar's right forehead, I'm going to name it RFHD. Next, we'll place an AHP on his left forehead. Now let's call this one LFHD. In the interest of time, I'm not going to go through the whole trouble of marking up our avatar, so I'm just going to load in an avatar that already has all of my AHPs. But what you'll want to do is repeat this process of placing markers, following the placement guide as you go. Once we're done assigning our AHPs, we can start importing our motion capture file. In the menu bar above, we're going to go to the Tools, then Visualizers, and then we're going to click on Motion Capture. Within this window, we're going to select Motion Capture File, and then we're going to navigate to the location of our file. Here I've selected a motion capture file where the action is of a person lifting a box. With our file selected, we're going to go to the Advanced tab and start assigning target markers to our AHPs. So given the name of our target marker, we're just going to select the corresponding AHP in this adjacent drop menu. For example, the avatar's left and right waist, the target markers labeled LFWT and RFWT respectively, I have them named differently. So let's select the corresponding body points. For the left waist, it will be our AHP labeled LASI, and for the right waist, I'll select the AHP labeled RASI. Next, we can check on or off the boxes in the Include column if we want to include or remove that particular target marker AHP relationship. Here I'm just making sure I have everything I want selected. In this case, I had more target markers than I had AHPs, so that's why some boxes were not checked off. That's totally fine. Now once you have it configured to your liking, we can go down to our Output section and play the motion. There are also various speed and other playback options that you can use to customize your viewing experience. So that's a quick guide on how to import and implement motion capture files in Santos Pro. That wraps up this tutorial, and we hope you found it helpful. On behalf of SantosHuman Incorporated, thank you so much for using our product, and have a great day.